Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bafundi. I'm representing Yamdu Mobile Car Wash. I've got an idea of our business. That is, we want to construct a model, our business model, that is going to wash 10 cars approximately, so using same soapy water and same rinsing water. So our model is going to, our model, we need only around about 25,000 rand. Then it has got a potential of making 720 a day, 5,040 rand a week. Then a month it is going to make 21,140. Then per annum it's going to make 241,920. So it is a potential to employ a number of people. One model can employ 4 people. Just imagine if you've got all this model of ours all over the country, then lots of tables that can be full with food. Then we've got a number of, we've consulted Hilton Hotel, Virgin Active, they are waiting for proposal, Protea and Prima Hotels, all South Africa, they are waiting for our proposals. Then what we notice about, firstly, on the 3rd of February this year, in KwaZulu-Natal, 8 districts were restricted from using water with drought. Excuse me. 8 districts, Utungulu, Umbuyankulu, I can't remember them quite by name, but then that shows that our business model has got a potential. Even if you go to Australia, Australians, they've got an Australian Car Wash Association. It restricts 1 car wash per car once a week. No more than that. Then again, all over the world, like northeast of Spain, in Catalina, then they will find that there are water deficit. From May to September, there's water is it's water deficit. So nobody is allowed to use water anyhow. So it is restricted. So this, ladies and gentlemen, this shows that our model is quite a viable. It can make a meaningful impact in our environment and in our society. As we speak from now, I am hands-on. I've started a car wash where I'm washing cars just to get the technical mode of the business. I thank you very much.